everyone, I'm Lisha and today I'm gonna show you the new luxury coffee glass table. The top of this table is made of tempered glass, which is a tinted gray color. This color can perfectly blend into various home styles, whether it's modern minimalism, Nordic style, or light luxury. And the height of this table is about 16 inches and the diameter of it is about 32 inches. The top of the table has a large round shape, which looks very modern. Also, it is made of tempered glass. The glass coffee table has a clear and fresh, transparent texture, and with the permission of light and shadow, so it is very shiny and it looks very modern. The legs of the table are made of metal and they also have some golden details. This coffee table has two colors. The one is tinted gray and another one is tinted brown color. So no matter you choose, it will definitely fit your room. So guys, it's all from me for today. See you next time.